So now look at your question number 4. So in the previous video we learned 3 questions on joint bar graph. So question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6 is there. So question number in that 2 questions I am going to solve question number 4 and question number 5, and after that question number 6 you have to practice. You have to do practice. Question number 6 you have to solve. Question number 4 and 5 I am going to explain here. So now look at here question number 4. The maximum and minimum temperature of 5 Indian cities are given in degrees Celsius. Draw a joint bar graph of this data. So now here maximum and minimum temperature is given. First one is maximum temperature, then here minimum temperature is here. There are 5 Indian cities. So first is Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Nagpur and Kapurthala. Then what you have to do? So you have to find here maximum temperature you have to draw and minimum temperature. So first here according to our steps, first you have to draw x-axis and y-axis. So this is y-axis and this one is x-axis. So here intersection of x-axis and y-axis, and then here on x-axis our second step, on x-axis city there Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Nagpur and Kapurthala. Then after that you have to find here how many degrees Celsius there. So here on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 degrees Celsius. So maximum temperature represented at ... and minimum temperature as it is. So here temperature given. So 1 centimeter equal to 5 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35 is given. So now look at here. First our is Delhi. So Delhi, so here Delhi maximum temperature 35 and minimum 26. So here 35 first. Then look at here Delhi 35 and 26. So draw here for first Delhi. For Delhi we have to draw 35. First maximum temperature and then minimum temperature. So here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. 35 is maximum temperature and minimum temperature is 26. So 20 here, 25 here and here 2 lines is 26, because here 5 is here means 2 lines equal to 1 degree Celsius. अगर हमें 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस से इंक्रीज करना है, 1 मतलब 2 हमें कंसिडर करना है, यहाँ पे 2 लाइंस लेना है. तो यहाँ पे 26 था, तो यहाँ पे 25 कंप्लीट होने के बाद ऊपर मैंने 2 लाइंस लिए हैं. सो नाउ फॉर हियर मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट ... सो ... you can do like this. Whatever you have to do, use that notations. Then next is Mumbai. So maximum temperature of Mumbai is 32. So here is 30, then 2 lines is 31 and our next 2 lines is 32. So here is 32 and then 25 is minimum temperature. So 25 here, so 25 here you have to draw, and then represented maximum temperature by ... You have to do like this. Then next temperature is Kolkata. So here maximum is 37. So 35 is here. Okay. Then 36 and then 37. So this is here 37. And minimum temperature is 26. So 26 already, this one also. So we have to here 25 and above 2 lines is 26. And then draw this one. And there use different notations. So I am going to use here for maximum is dotted and minimum as it is. Then Nagpur, the highest temperature of Nagpur is 41. So here 40 and then 41 means 2 line above that. So this one is here 41 and for minimum temperature of Nagpur is 29. So here is 30 and below 2 lines is 29. Below 32 line 29 and then dotted. Then next is Kapurthala. Then what you have to do here, 37 is the maximum and 26. So here 37. So first here 40 is here, 35 is here, 35 and there 36 and 37 here. And for minimum temperature is 26. So 25 here and above 2 line is 26. And then represent as it is, dotted for maximum temperature. So this one is our question number 4. You have to draw like this. Now next is question number 5. So here first our rule, question number 5, look at that. Here the number of children vaccinated in one day at the government hospital in Solapur and Pune are given in the table. So for Solapur and Pune, number of children is vaccinated in one day. There are so here which vaccination, here there are 4 types of. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. So you have to draw joint bar graph. So here DPT booster, polio booster, then measles, then hepatitis. So here city given, Solapur and Pune, and vaccine also given. So according to our step, first you have to draw x-axis and y-axis. So here x-axis drawn and here y-axis also. After that here on x-axis vaccine is there. So here vaccine, DPT, polio, then here measles and hepatitis is given. Here intersection is here 0. Then children's, number of children. So here 1 centimeter equal to 10 children. So scale is a scale on y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 10 children. Then Solapur represented as line and Pune as it is. So first is a DPT booster. So 65 in Solapur. So Solapur represented as line. So first is Solapur, and in Solapur DPT booster कितने children को दिया, 65. So 60 is here and above 5 lines is here. It means 65 is here. So we have to draw 65 here. And in Pune there are 89. So 80 is here and 89 means above 9. So here 89. And then draw this one. And how to represent Solapur? Solapur represent as line. So you have to draw here lines. Okay, next is polio. Polio in Solapur. So look at here, polio in Solapur 60 and in Pune 87. So 60 is here. And then after that is 87. So here 80 and above 7. So here 5, 6, 7. Here 87. And then join this all. And then Solapur represented as lines. Then measles here for that 65 is in Solapur and 88 in Pune. So 65, so 60 is here, above 5 lines is 65, and then 88, 80 is here, above 8 lines means here 88. And then this one is Solapur represented as a line. Then for hepatitis 63 is in Solapur. So 60 is here and above 3 lines means 63. And 86. So 80 is here and here 5, 85 and 86. So this is 86 in Pune, hepatitis. And then Solapur represented as line and Pune represented as it is. So here graph number 5, question number 5 also completed. Question number 5, you have to do like this, you have to write like this, and you have to draw a graph also like this till here. And question number 6 you have to solve. Question number 6 you have to practice also till here. Thank you.